Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again.
Hey guys, it's Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create two looks. I'm going to create a daytime nude look which will transform into this nighttime glamorous look. If you're an absolute beginner or if you want to do something very easy for Diwali, then you're gonna really like this tutorial. I have collaborated with Kiro Beauty for this particular video, and before I begin the tutorial, let me tell you a little bit about this brand. Kiro Beauty has a skincare infused makeup range. They are 100% cruelty free, they are vegan, and there are no parabens or nasties in their products. Their products are infused with carrier oils like jojoba oil, argan oil, avocado oil, etc, etc. So these products are not just makeup products, they're actually good for your skin as well. Also, I have tested their makeup products in the past and their range is supremely long lasting. It doesn't budge from your skin. I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial, guys. Now without further ado, let's begin. I'm ready with my base makeup and we are straight going to jump into the eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'll use Kiro Beauty Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This one is in the shade Fury Bronze and this is in the shade Nude Pearl. I'll also show you the swatches for it so that you have a better idea. The darker shade that you see here is Fury Bronze and the lighter shade is Nude Pearl. I'm starting off with a daytime look and I am going to use this eyeshadow stick. It is in the shade Nude Pearl. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to apply it all over my eyelid. There's actually nothing complicated about it. You just have to drag the eyeshadow stick all over your eyelid. I'm done applying the shade on both of my eyelids. This shade Nude Pearl is almost the same shade as my skin tone, but it adds a beautiful shine to the eyelids. It is perfect for nude, natural kind of makeup looks. Once it sets on your eyelids, it does not budge. It actually lasts all day long until you take it off with a makeup remover. Next, I'm going to take the shade Fury Bronze and this I am going to apply on my lower lash line halfway through. Just this much. We are doing this just to add a bit of definition to the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take Kiro Beauty Waterproof Soft Matte Eyeliner. I'm going to create an eyeliner with this. It's not going to be a wing liner. I'm only going to outline my upper lash line. Something like this. The eyeliner is done. Now I'm just going to apply a mascara. You can use any mascara of your choice. Alright, done. So this is the eye look for the daytime, guys. It is quick, it is simple, but we are going to finish up this look with a beautiful blush, highlighter and a really pretty lip color. For blush, I'll use Kiro Beauty Glow On Blush Duo in the shade Perfect Pink plus Fresh Grapefruit. I'm going to apply a mix of these two colors, but this is a really pigmented blush, so always start with a light hand and then build it up from there. Next, for highlighter, I'll use Kiro Beauty Prism Perfect Highlighter in the shade Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. I'm going to use the lighter shade of the highlighter here. First, I'll highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And next, of course, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. It is a very pretty nude color highlighter. You can build it up as per your liking, or you can, go for a subtle look with it. It looks very neat and gives a very nice glow. Next, for my lips, I'll use Kiro Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Peachy Nude. This is a swatch of the lipstick. This one is a matte transfer proof lipstick which is infused with apricot oil and vitamin E. It is quite comfortable to wear and it comes in a lot of pretty colors. I love this color, guys. This is such a beautiful color. So this is my final daytime nude look, guys. It is very simple, it is very easy, but at the same time it is luminous and festive. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform this look into a nighttime glamorous look. That is also going to be pretty simple, so let's get to that now. I have removed my lip color because for the nighttime glam look, we are going to change it. Now, I'm going to take the eyeshadow stick in the shade Fury Bronze and I'm going to top this nude pearl shade with this shade. Don't worry if it gets on your eyeliner, we are going to touch up that as well. I'm done applying the bronze shade on this particular eyelid and you can make out the difference in the two shades. Also, these eyeshadow sticks are really metallic and foiled. So when you move your face in different directions, your eyelid is going to shine beautifully. I'm also going to apply this eyeshadow stick a bit more on my lower lash line. For the daytime look, I applied the eyeshadow stick halfway through my lower lash line. Now for this look, I'm going to apply it all the way through. Next, I'm going to take Kiro Beauty's waterproof eyeliner again and I'm going to turn this eyeliner into a bold winged liner. At this point of time, I'm also going to touch up the rest of the eyeliner. Next, I'm going to add a pair of false lashes to this look. This step is completely optional, but I love wearing false lashes, so I'm going to do that off camera and then come back. Next, from the Glow On blush, I'm going to take this shade and I am going to apply it a little more, just about here. I'm also going to touch up the highlighter just on my cheekbones. This time, I'm going to take a mix of these two colors. Not too much of it, just a little bit. Lastly, for my lips, I'll use Kiro Beauty's liquid lipstick again, this time in the shade Scarlet Poppy. And that's it, guys. This is my final nighttime glamorous look. Lastly, you can definitely check out Kiro Beauty's makeup range, guys. They are such good products. They are beginner friendly, they are safe for everyone, and all the products which I used today, the pigmentation of all those products was on point. I'm going to leave all the details and links in the description box below. You can definitely check it out and consider buying them. With that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please consider subscribing to our channels. We've of course got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post daily vlogs. You can also consider following me on Instagram. I post video updates and some makeup related content here and there on my Instagram handle. I'm going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check them out, and if you do like what you see, then consider following and subscribing. That's it from me for today, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.